All right, we got a beautiful day in Vienna. Hard to find gluten-free here, but Café Museum is where we're gonna try. And we just came from Café Sahur, which is famous for the torte, which I did in a video, but they don't really have any gluten-free, but they do have good coffee. So let's get in this place. We'll check it out. There's the address, see what they have. All right, we're actually sitting outside here. The menu. A is meaning it has gluten in it, so they do have quite a few good options. All right, the pumpkin and sweet potato soup, and we got the parsley with potatoes, Austrian staple, and Nicole got the autumn salad with chicken. It looks great. Wow. All right, here's the train station to go to. Oh, hello. Oh, little doggy. Anyways, that place was outstanding. I thought it was really good. Fresh, great food. Definitely recommend it. It's not far from anything. 5-minute walk. Right in the center of Vienna.